He was a student of class 5. Okay, so the story goes like this. One day, when Swaminathan entered in his classroom, when suddenly entered into the classroom, he found out that something is written on the blackboard. It is written tail. It is written tail. Okay, so he went in his seat, in his bench, and he was just sitting, and many students laughed at him, and he was wondering who has written this word tail on the blackboard. Okay, so he looked here and there, he turned around, he looked here and there, and he found out that one of the boy, whose name is P and Shankar. First of all, P, you'll see P. P was a boy. So what P was doing is that P was, all the children were laughing at Shankar, and I mean to say Swaminathan, but P was not laughing. P was busy doing his work, as if he is unaware about the situation. Okay? So Swaminathan had a great doubt in him, because he thought that all the students are laughing at him except P. And when he looked at Shankar was also doing some work, packing his bags and so on. So apart from these two boys, all were laughing at Swaminathan. So he thought that either P or Shankar might have written the word tail on the blackboard. So he was very irritated, he was very angry. Why he has written? So he went near P and just he slapped him. He slapped him hard. And P began to cry. Okay? So P was crying, and he told that I have not done nothing, and why you have beaten me? He was very much irritated, he was crying and anything. Then Shankar also came, and he was about to say something, then another slap he has given to Shankar. Okay, so Shankar also began to cry. So both of them were crying. Okay, at that time teacher came, entered the classroom. And that teacher was a Tamil teacher. He was a Tamil teacher. So when Tamil teacher came in the classroom, everybody stood up. Okay, so one of the boy, Rajam was also a boy. Okay, Rajam also came in the class, and he was just he was just handling the situation, what had happened in the class. So he just request Somu, one more boy. Somu also came in the class. He just asked his Tamil teacher to let them go outside in the class to solve the matter. Okay. So without Tamil teacher said anything, all the students went out of the class. Okay. So they began to fight with each other. No, they didn't begin to fight. First of all, they just had a discussion like who has written the word tail on the blackboard. So one of the boy asked, what is actually tail? One of the boys just asked, what is actually tail? Why you are getting irritated when you hear the word tail? So all of them were asking to Shankar why you are getting. All of them were asking to Swaminathan why they were angry when tail is written on the blackboard, when somebody calls out tail. Okay, so Swaminathan told them that if somebody is calling, why I should not be angry if somebody calls me tail. Okay, if Swaminathan also told that if I will tell you tail, T-A-I-L, tail, you will not be angry. He said in that way. Okay, so all of them came. They were just discussing, and Rajam and Somu were the sworn enemies. Okay, so one of the boys is supporting Swaminathan, and one of the boys is not supporting Swaminathan. So they just began to fight in an adjoining area near the school. Okay, and Just they were fighting. So the peon came. The peon saw them fighting. Peon saw them fighting, and he just went running in the principal office, not principal, headmaster office, and he just informed all the informed that the boys were fighting in the field. So the principal also came running in the field. Both principal and peon put them apart. Okay, but after putting them apart also, they were trying to beat each other. Okay, in fact, one of the boy has hit one of the boy also. He hit one of the boy also. Okay, so they were fighting with each other. Okay, but with lot of effort, both the peon and the headmaster took them to their office, and in the office what had happened. Okay, it is not giving the story, but I'll tell you what has happened. In the story, all were in the office, all were sit apart, and principal asked them one by one what is the matter, and in the discussion, Swaminathan told the principal that why P has written tail on the blackboard. What do you mean by tail? So the principal also asked them what is tail. So Swaminathan told principal that all of them calls him Rajam's tail. So why am I Rajam's tail? So all these things were discussed, and finally the headmaster managed to comfort them. Okay, and he warned all the boys to fight against each other. If they are fighting, they will be punished severely. The headmaster told in that way, and he has also explained Swaminathan not to be irritated, not to get angry if somebody say anything against you. If you are irritated, if you are being teased, if you are feeling that, if somebody will feel that you are being teased, they will tease you continuously. Headmaster told in that way. Swaminathan understood this concept, and he is also warned Rajam. He also warned Rajam and other boys like P and Shankar to write anything on the blackboard, and he has also told them not to write tail on the blackboard, because board is not used for the children to write on the blackboard. In fact, board is used for the children to. Board is not used for the children to write on. In fact, board is for teacher. Okay, and in that meeting, the Tamil teacher was also called. Okay, and he was scolded. He was being scolded by the principal that why you have given the permission to go outside. So Tamil teacher told that I had not given the permission. In fact, all the students forcefully went outside and they began to fight. Since he was a Tamil teacher, principal sir just left him out. So the moral of the story says, what is the moral of the story? This is the end of the story. Now I'll teach you what is the moral of the story. Every story has a moral, and you need to learn the moral of the story. Moral of the story. Different people will have different point of view regarding moral of the story. Okay? Then what is the moral? According to me, it will be according to you also. The moral of the story is that if somebody teases you, you should not involve in all the activities. If somebody is making you embarrassed, if somebody is making you irritated, you should not be irritated, because once people finds that you are being irritated, whatever people will say, okay, then they will irritate you continuously. Rather, you should just ignore all those things. Similarly, Swaminathan might also have ignored. If you do not tell, okay, then this matter would not have been bigger. So this is the moral of the story. What Swaminathan did was not wrong. Okay, because if you are a student of class 5, you might be irritated. Okay, but you should not be irritated. Rather, you should just keep a calm. Okay, just be quiet and wait for the right atmosphere to attack. To attack means to give the answer. If Swaminathan had taken all the things in his own way, by his patience and all, okay, things could not have been bigger. So this is the moral of the story. Now, so I hope you have understood this chapter in a much better way, and And yes, I have already told you about RK Narayan. I have already told you about of a tale. Okay, I have already told you about the moral of the story. Now, one more point which I have forgotten. I just like to say that the role of Shankar. Role of Shankar. There is a question in your book. There is a question in your book in page number 17, B6 number 1. The answer of this question is not be given. The answer of this question will be given by you once you have understood all the story. If you have understood all the story minutely, then only you will be able to answer this question. B6 number 1. Do you think Shankar or P had written the word tell on the blackboard? Give a reason for your answer. This is a very important question which is often asked in the examination. So, what according to you should be the answer? Who has written the tell? Somebody has written the tell on the blackboard. It's not all the classmates combinedly has written, no. Either of these two boys, either Shankar or P might have written the word tell on the blackboard. But who according to you has written the word tell on the blackboard? Okay. So in my sense, P might have written the word tell on the blackboard. Why I am saying so is that because when Swaminathan entered into the classroom, he found that all the boys were laughing at him. But P was not laughing. P was busy in his work as if he is ignorant. He is ignorant about all the event. Okay, and he is just writing something, or he was just busy in some other activities, which had created a sense of doubt in Swaminathan's mind. Okay, and this is one of the reasons why I think P might have written the word tell on the blackboard. But when Swaminathan looked at Shankar, he felt that Shankar also might have written, because he was also busy doing some work. What Shankar was doing? Shankar was packing bags perhaps. So, according to Swaminathan, Shankar might have also written. Okay, but when Swaminathan slapped P, P began to cry. And Shankar came into the action. He was just about to say anything. He was just about to say something to Swaminathan. Another slapped given by Swaminathan to Shankar. That means what? That means P has written the word tell on the blackboard, and Shankar might have told P to write the word tell on the blackboard. I repeat once again. P might have written the word tell on the blackboard, and P had written the word tell on the blackboard, and Shankar might have convinced P to write tell on the blackboard. That means Shankar is the main culprit. Shankar is the main culprit. He is the motivator. He has motivated P to write tell on the blackboard. Okay, and he has written P. That's why Swaminathan slapped first P and then Shankar. And another role is Rajam. So one of the boy in your story you might have seen. If you go through the story, there is a line written that they call me Rajam's tale. This is the sentence written there, this statement. If you go through this story, you will come across. They call me Rajam's tale. Okay, so indirectly, Rajam is also connected with Shankar and P. Okay, Rajam is also connected with Shankar and P. So what I mean to say is that P has written the word tell on the blackboard because Shankar might have told him to write the tell on the blackboard, and Shankar and Rajam might be friend. Shankar and Rajam might be friend. That's why Rajam did not react when he entered the classroom and he saw the word tell on the written on the blackboard. That means he has not told anything to P or anything to Shankar. He has just fall into the matter and he was just wanted to go out to solve the matter. Okay, this is the connection. What according to me should be the reason. Okay, you might have understood. P has written the word tell on the blackboard. Okay, who might have told? Shankar might have told P to write tell on the blackboard, and Rajan and Shankar might be a friend. So Rajan didn't have any objection, did not have any objection of writing tell on the blackboard. Okay, and Swaminathan also told that they call me Rajan's friend. So the question is, who calls? Who thinks that Swaminathan is Rajan's friend? Who thinks? All the student thinks, like P and Shankar definitely thinks. These two are very naughty boy, P and Shankar. Okay, so this is the connection of this story. I hope you understood this story. So when you are going through the books, you need to find out what are the characters of Shankar, characters of P, the characters of Rajan. Okay, the character of Somu, the character of Swaminathan, and so on. You should also find out what is the character of principal and headmaster, and you should also go into deep about the character of Tamil teacher. If you are reading carefully about all those, okay, you will be able to understand the story in a very nice way, and question may come from any part of the story. You will be able to give the answer in a very perfect way. So this is the story. I hope you have understood the story. In the next class, I will come with some other videos of other chapter. Till then, bye bye.